I'm Jen Myers, and this week on Oncor TV,
the largest cause of streetlight outages oftentimes are our bulbs replacement or photo cells replacements throughout.
meet the team of employees that ensure our roads never go dark. But first, teams mobilize as tornadoes hit several Oncor communities. Meteorologist Brian James has more from the city of Jacksboro.
As of Wednesday afternoon, nearly every home that can receive power has it in the town of Jacksboro, Texas. This community took a direct hit from a strong EF3 tornado Monday afternoon. More than 80 poles were damaged and had to be replaced after they were pounded by winds, with wind speeds estimated between 140 and 150 miles an hour.
We will continue to work after the sun goes down around the clock until all lights come on.
Bowie, Round Rock, Crockett, Cushing, and Jarrell, Texas all experienced similar impacts after tornadoes touched down Monday. Oncor personnel have been working around the clock to get all power restored. Remember to stay informed and in touch with Oncor by downloading the My Oncor app. You can report an outage and track repairs in real time. Reporting in Jacksboro, this is meteorologist Brian James.
And taking a look at our area forecast over the next 3 days across our service territory, we've got temperatures in the 70s for Thursday's forecast. Friday's forecast, though, temperatures a bit warmer in the 70s and 80s, but by the evening hours, we do have a chance to see some strong storms moving through our service territory, especially the eastern portion of our service territory. But after those move through Friday night into Saturday morning, Saturday shapes up really nicely. We're back into the 70s and 80s with plenty of sunshine. There's more to come after a short message.
Innovation doesn't have an off switch. It's up with the sunrise, steadfast through the night, chases bigger, better, smarter, and connects 10 million hearts and minds as big as Texas. At Oncor, we empower modern life.
My name is Tim Burleson. I work in the Streetlight Maintenance Group as the Streetlight Maintenance Manager for Oncor.
The Streetlight Maintenance is a really active group. We have a really large service territory. We have about 400,000 lights that we maintain across the system.
So our day-to-day responsibilities is to respond to outages or different repairs for streetlights throughout Oncor. Every year, on average, Oncor will see some 70,000 tickets, outage tickets, that we respond to.
That's a combination, right, of lights blowing out, poles getting knocked down, cable getting replaced.
We do depend on the public to report outages so that we know about it.
So if you're a member of the public and you notice that a streetlight is out, you can simply go to Oncor.com and report that outage.
Customers let us know when there's issues out there through a tool called Slots.
Slots is a system that you can go onto the internet and report an outage. You can select the appropriate street light, report the appropriate outage reason, and that creates a ticket for us to respond to. We have field construction coordinators that work with our contractors out in the field. And a big portion of their job is to help coordinate work efforts that are out in the field.
I'm going to go up there, disconnect the neutral, reconnect the neutral.
Yes, this is a standard utility truck. They do all of our streetlight contracting. They carry all kinds of material to maintain outages on streetlights. Here they'll have connectors, fuses. The other side they'll have photo eyes, bulbs of all sorts. This is a 250 watt, 480 volt Cobra fixture with a 250 watt HPS bulb that goes inside. People are always hitting these street lights. Sometimes they'll just damage an arm or a street light fixture and we'll just replace the fixture. Well, what we had here, we had a rusted out street light standard that was rusted at the base. So we wanted to replace that, put a galvanized street light standard up with a 6-foot arm, 100 watt Cobra fixture. to replace this pole to make it safe for many years to come.
Our department, since I've been in the group for the last 3 years, we have continued to see a lot of increase in activity. People moving here, a lot of development, commercial, residential, all of those new highways and developments need to have lighting, and Oncor, we want to be the company that the customers choose.
That's all we have time for this week. Keep checking the Power Hub app and intranet for more updates. Until next time, stay safe and stay healthy.